Okay. The water, bug spray, isopropyl alcohol, and salt mixed together. We shall apply it. See what happens. What are we applying it to? We are applying it to the crack. Okay. Big old crack. We shall see if it works. I'll let you know. Applied at 1:12 in the afternoon. That's at a couple hours. Let's see, 1:12. It's on there. You can see the crack. Let's see what happens. It's at 2 hours. Thin coat applied. I doubt it'll work. Okay, and here's that crack 2 days later after doing that stuff. Still there. Not a change. Crack's still there. Does not work.